Hi everyone, welcome to my channel K the Occupational Therapist. My name is Kirti. Recently I have been receiving a lot of messages on my Instagram. You also go and follow me at K the Occupational Therapist. So yes, I was receiving a lot of DMs regarding occupational therapy. There were a lot of students who recently passed out their 12th and they wanted to know the difference between physiotherapy and occupational therapy, and also they were confused between whether they should go for nursing or occupational therapy. You can call this an inspirational video. In this video I will be telling you about occupational therapy, what exactly is the scope, and also if you have watched my last video, in that video I told about what is occupational therapy, what are the different fields in which you can specialize, and also the scope of OT. Now again in this video I will be briefing you about scope of occupational therapy. There is a lot of confusion I think between physiotherapy and occupational therapy, and also because of lack of awareness in this field, parents I think they are not allowing their child to go for occupational therapy. They get a little confused between it. So this is purely a video regarding the scope of occupational therapy. Do subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and also share it with your friends to spread awareness about OT. So to begin with, occupational therapy एक ऐसा profession है in which the therapist deals with all the patients of all ages in all the stages of their life. When we talk about all the stages, by that I mean that we also deal with the geriatric sector, which is the people above 60 years of age. And other than that, we deal with the pediatric sector, which is children till 14 or 16 years of age. And also other than that, we deal with neurological and orthopedic conditions. When we talk about orthopedic conditions, उसमें आते हैं हमारे lower back pain आता है, knee pain आता है, cervical pain, and all जो हमारे bony या जो joint related problems है, that come under orthopedic cases. And when we talk about neurological cases, the conditions which are related to the neurological system of a body, like there is stroke patients, there is spinal cord injury patients, and also there are patients with encephalitis. So all these neurological conditions come under occupational therapy when we talk about the rehabilitation process. So occupational therapists help the people to get back to their daily activities. जो भी हमारी daily routine activities होती हैं, जिसको हम ADL, which is the activities of daily living बोलते हैं. So किसी भी एक patient को अगर वो किसी भी XYZ condition से suffer कर रहा है and he or she is not able to get back to the daily life, if someone works in an office, if someone is a teacher, or if someone is an engineer, जो भी उनका profession है, या whether it is a student, so we have to make sure that the patient gets back to the daily life, जो भी उनका basic field है, which is the area of the work. And also other than that, we deal with the leisure activities. By leisure activities we mean जो भी हम अपने free time में करते हैं. It can be anything, जो भी area of interest है of the person. So when we talk about scope of occupational therapy, there is a vast scope, but you just have to be on the right track. If you know what you are doing with your decision of getting into occupational therapy, it is completely your choice. And occupational therapy deals with there are different kind of fields or different kind of areas where you can work. जैसे कि मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में भी बताया था, पीपल कैन वर्क इन NGOs, you can work in hospitals, there are government sectors, there are private sectors also, and also you can work in schools, you can also work with the mainstream children. जब हम mainstream बच्चों की बात करते हैं, by that I mean जो भी normal schools हैं, उसमें आप mainstream students के साथ कैसे deal कर सकते हैं. We can work on the ergonomic sector, वहाँ के जो benches हैं, the furniture, वो सब कैसे डिज़ाइन होना चाहिए, द प्ले रूम ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन, इन सब का डिज़ाइनिंग कैसे होनी चाहिए. एंड अदर दैन दैट वी कैन वर्क अपॉन द कंप्यूटर लैब्स और द लाइब्रेरी और द म्यूजिक रूम. Everything it comes under the school. This is the infrastructure where we talk about ergonomics. Other than that, when we talk about the mainstream children, we can work upon increasing their memory, attention, concentration, their self-confidence, giving them positive thoughts about their body image, because there are a lot of teenage right now who become very conscious about their body image. So you can also go and watch my video on body image. And other than this, We can work in the hospitals. Government hospitals are there, private hospitals are there, and आपके पास clinics का option हमेशा open रहता है. There are a lot of clinics in Delhi. If I talk about, other than Delhi, there are a lot of job scopes in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune, Mumbai. So these are the main cities जहाँ पर बहुत अच्छे job opportunities हैं. Other than this, India is a vast country, you know. There are different kind of states and cities, so you can apply anywhere. And definitely, I don't think, you know, कि कोई भी unemployed है. अगर आपकी will है, you are determined enough to work in this profession, you will definitely get a job. Talking of me, when I gave my bachelor's exam, final year exams, I also applied for a job in many clinics. So I also got selected. Before starting my internship, I also worked in a clinic for 3 to 4 months, where, you know, I could learn different kind of things, different kind of treatment. So there are clinics, there are people who hire freshers and young minds so that they also, you know, अपने clinic को अच्छा build करने में, and you know, it all depends upon your confidence, upon your practical skills. Occupational therapy is you know, all about your clinical and practical skills, how confident you are dealing with the patients. And if you work in a pediatric sector, पेरेंट जो बच्चे हैं उनके पेरेंट्स के साथ आप कैसे डील करते हो, वेदर यू आर एबल टू एक्सप्लेन देम थिंग्स और नॉट. So it all depends upon your speaking skills, your confidence, how you work in the sector. You all have, you know, आपके पास पूरी freedom होती है. You can design your own plans. Rest, it depends upon the place where you are working. And it all depends how you plan the intervention protocol. The customer, see, it's all about customer satisfaction. If your patient is satisfied with you, the services that you are providing, you will reach heights in this profession. So there is nothing wrong about being in occupational therapy, या फिर occupational therapy किसी और profession से हम उसे कम माने, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Occupational therapy is a wonderful profession. You just have to be wise enough. आप अपनी job बहुत wisely choose करो where you are working. And when we talk about the salary, that also I have talked in my earlier video, you can go and check it out. So जब भी हम salaries की बात करते हैं, salaries starting initially जब हम बात करेंगे तो they are reasonable enough कि आप अपना सीख सकते हो, और you can gain experience. And there are a lot of opportunities when you step out of occupational therapy, whether you are a bachelor's or you are a master's. So there are hundreds of opportunities waiting for you. You just have to be confident enough, and you just have to use your brain wisely. So other than job, you can always set up your own clinic or a private practice you can run, which does require a registration from the state's council wherever you reside in. So you need a registration, and also your individual registration license is very important to practice in your particular state or city. And also there is a governing body which is AOTA. You can always check their website. There are different events, there are different conferences which you can attend, and you know, you can expand your network, you can expand your resources. You just have to collect information from different fields. You can visit YouTube, like I run my YouTube channel. There are a lot of occupational therapists who have their YouTube channels. They put information on their channels, on their Instagram pages. So you have to be wise enough where you want to invest your time in. And also, other than bachelor's and master's of OT, there are different courses. Like there is a course for sensory integration, there is a course for brain gym where you learn about different brain activities, and also there is a course for handwriting. You know, occupational therapists, when we talk about, they deal with a lot of sectors. So you need to learn about different fields. There are different courses available on Coursera, Unacademy, and so you know, there are different resources where you can learn and grow. So I hope that you liked my video, and at the end I would just say that expand your knowledge about OT, and you know, research. There are different websites, there are different research articles based upon occupational therapy. You have to increase your awareness, and you also have to spread your awareness being in this wonderful profession. Occupational therapy is such a nice profession that you fall in love with it every day. So I am really happy that I chose this field, and I would like to grow in this field and reach heights. So wish you all the luck for your future, and I hope that you all become very wonderful OTs in near future. Thank you for watching, and do like my video and share it with your friends and spread knowledge about